Yeah, you look pretty good.
There you go. Sweep it up and just leave it in the dustpan when you're done.
Your kit looks really good, dude.
This is a youth safety event, so we had kids come out between 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. If you lean over something, your hair can catch on fire. Learn a lot of different safety things, from fire to kitchen safety to first aid. So the blue team, your pile's on this end. This is really fun. It was really engaging.
Oh, jeez.
Learning what to do. What happens when you call 911? What are they gonna ask you? What are they gonna say? What if you don't know your address? Where can I go find that? All these things are really important for these kids to learn and know to be safe, and they can pass that on to siblings, younger and older. Blue and yellow, this is your kitchen. One of the things we did I really liked was the kitchen relay race. Fastest team to get everything right wins. And the kids had to go and correct something that was wrong in the kitchen. On your mark, get set, go. The kids would go up, analyze everything on the table.
Yes, nice job.
And say, okay, this needs to be changed, this needs to be had, this needs to be picked up. Yep, just move it over there. Perfect, bud, good job. So you can see the kids going, processing in their mind. Is there something over there that could spill? And they're actually looking for things that aren't safe. So that's really fun to see them process it and take what they learned. Good job.
I like it.
They're learning and they're having fun.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Play, be a child at heart, a fun experience for, I think, everyone.